Karu start.
Yes.
So this side Avinash, I am the sales manager here at Design Cafe. So I will be showing you here the dining area and TV unit, both the मैं लेकर चलता हूँ हमारे जो रूम्स हमने डिज़ाइन करे हैं, पर्सनलाइज करे हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू कस्टमर्स। आइए। So here this room is all about paneling, TV paneling, where you are given shutter and drawer, right? Both are in Duco finish. Here we are playing with signature, our signature range. You are having this paneling around the TV units. Then you can see here that is also in signature range. These are of jute fabrics, and you can see here texture paints we are offering to you here. And let me took you this room also. Okay. So this room also have some CNC cutting paneling also. You can see here 3 to 4 shades also.
So as you can see, this is our meeting room and we have created a proper Indian pop-up theme over there. Also, if you can focus on the chandelier, we have this traditional chandelier which is giving a pop. Also, this have a glass overall so that you can see what's going on the whole experience center.
Okay, so you can see here 3 to 4 types of texture laminates here we are offering to you on wall moldings. So you can use this at a TV unit, open TV units, where you are giving these drawers also for your appliances.
Have a particular dining or an attractive in order to create an emphasis at your home. We have mirror beveled moldings on the wall with wall lights in order to create an emphasis at your home.
This part, so you can use this part as a shoe rack area where you can put your shoes and all. You can see here, right? This part can be used as a decor part also, where you can use this part as for your entrance also.
Now here we come to the dining area and we have different types of sitting over there. We have a cultural wallpaper over there with some different motifs and on it in order to create a particular theme or concept. Also we have a bar unit over there which is designed as per neoclassical dining room. Also नीचे जब आपने देखा था तो there was a hidden bar unit and यहाँ पर हमने एक open bar unit place किया है because
I'll be showing you one different kind of kitchen also. Let me show you how. This part is generator where you can use your mops and all. This is our tall unit. So you can see there depth is different in this. Why? Because of heights in our households, person's heights, right? Here we are taking this vanity part also for ventilation. You can see here. This is a ventilation part for your crockeries and all. This is made up of granite, and you can see flap up, hydraulic flap up.
the clients के requirements आ रहे हैं कि that we have a pet. So उनके लिए भी हमने एक solution निकाल कर रखा है कि हमने पूरा एक pet storage सा create करा है so that इसमें हम pet के लिए खाने के लिए हमने बोस डिज़ाइन करे हैं और ये पूरा एक कैट यूनिट है so that आपके कैट्स और आपके पेट्स इसमें easily enjoy कर सकें और we have some storage over there in order to keep some stuff for pets like that.
Okay, so this is our an inner mirror or
ओके so wardrobes for kids और जैसे कि kids आपको पता है कि हाइट उनकी ऊपर तक नहीं पहुंच पाती है and we are giving the pull down internal for this. Also we have this hidden study unit for there so that हम छोटे rooms को इस प्रकार डिजाइन करते हैं कि आपके बच्चे इसमें completely और comfortably रह सकें.
This is the kind of concept we are having, traditional plus modern. You can see here in older generation we use these wallpapers and all, and this is a floor mounted bed.
देख सकते हैं कि that we have a chest of drawers over there और जैसे कि पुराने ज़माने में लोगों को मंजी और वो वाला textures बहुत पसंद आता था so we have used this cane which is sandwiched between the glass in order to create its durability. So हमने इसको PU paint से cover करके proper एक chest of drawers create करा है for the neoclassical master bedroom theme.
One other wardrobe also, stone finish wardrobe, you can see here. See, you can customize this wardrobe according to your needs. And one thing also, there is one pull-out mirror. You can use this mirror.
Oh, can we do? This is for us. I'll take out. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं हमारे पास डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ वार्डरोब्स हैं हर एक कस्टमर को पर्सनलाइज करने के लिए. सो उनके हिसाब से इंटरनल्स भी है क्योंकि कुछ लोगों को चाहिए हमें स्टोरेज ज़्यादा चाहिए, कुछ लोगों को चाहिए कि नहीं हमें फर्नीचर ज़्यादा चाहिए, सॉरी फंक्शन ज़्यादा चाहिए. सो यहाँ पर हमने ड्रॉर्स दिए हैं. ऑल्सो अगर आप देखोगे तो भी हमने यहाँ पर एक इनबिल्ट ड्रेसिंग टेबल दे दिया है आपको जो हमारे मॉडर्न सॉल्यूशंस के अकॉर्डिंग बहुत ज़्यादा आजकल ये लोग लेते हैं. बिकॉज कुछ लोगों के पास स्टोरेज का बहुत ज़्यादा इशू रहता है कि हाँ हमारे पास ड्रेसिंग के लिए डेडिकेटेड स्पेस नहीं है, सो उन लोगों के लिए हम एक ऐसे इंटीरियर्स और ऐसे वार्डरोब के इंटरनल्स डिज़ाइन कर देते हैं सो दैट उनके बजट में भी आ जाए और वो इजीली यूज़ भी कर पाए.